사와코 그로누마 사와코 사람 사이
Hey guys. Ooh. At a fancy restaurant. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I forgot to vlog everything. We're uptown at this location. Should we introduce? This is the restaurant, guys. I'm with Angie. Aw, she's so cute. Oh, that was awkward, guys. We feel awkward. Guys, my influencer dreams better come true. No, I said my influencer. Ooh. This is what Angie got. This is what I got. Whoa. Hey guys, we're at Target. Sorry we didn't get to vlog. My phone died.
Random ass vlog right now.
For real. I feel so awkward. What was that?
I said getting the girl flowers is a bare minimum.
So do I keep vlogging?
If you want to.
Okay.
Oh, you caught that on camera?
Yeah.
I was just joking, man. No, I'm not. Fuck y'all.
Yeah. Fuck you. Oh, the flowers is right there.
Period.
Period. Whoa. Look, that's where I got highlight. I mean. So guys, I don't know which foundation to pick. I'm just kidding. I already have foundation at home because I just bought some. So guys, we are still looking. Period. Period.
Yeah, but why? What is? It's sneeze, but then like there's another one. One letter. Two syllables. Sneezy. Sneezy. Oh, what?
Whoa.
You turn 6 and say.
Wait, no, wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rebecca. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God. Rosa, you always have concerts on your Instagram. Start one right now.
Oh, see you shopping. See you shopping.
Can you give a speech about me? Just me?
Yeah.
About me?
You do.
Like when you first met me, like I still, you know, like so now, you know, like as cousins, you know, as friends.
Say something.
Just like open
How you grew up with her, like the things y'all like.
No, go there,
I'm
bro.
gonna leave in 2 weeks, so this is your time now. Yeah. So why is he? You got nothing to say? This is your time.
Melody.
Okay.
But I need the lyrics though.
I'll give you a second one.
It's okay. I got you.
Come here.
Come on, my two favorite girlfriends.
Come on.
Come on.
This is so romantic.
You gonna get someone who said I like your hair for 3? Okay.
You said you want to
Bro,
like about me.
just be already. Oh,
I said the whole thing.
what the hell? Hey guys, I'm watching Taylor Swift naming everything. Anyways, that.
Norwegian forest cat, Ossa cat, Bengal, Bombay.
Oh, different cats.
A black
Different
cat,
cats.
a calico cat.
She knows a Burmese cat. Oh my god, she's so cool.
So,
Anyways, sorry, the ads are in the background. I'm kind of like doing an assignment for a paper, and I thought I had to write the whole paper, which is 1,800 words. You know that I'm not gonna be doing that within 1 day, so I'm drinking this long overdue drink that I haven't like drinking. I mean, it expires in 2 years, but yeah. Shake it up. It's brown sugar. Hopefully, there's no bits of boba inside. Good. There's gonna be other stuff going on, but anyways, what if that starts making you think about the time where I spent a day with someone in the past? I'm like, oh my god, hell no. That just made me get memories I did not want to like reveal my brain. But anyways, look at the makeup look. I'm gonna take out my glasses so you can see it more clear. Oh, ignore that. The side nostril split. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm excited for today. Hopefully I get to watch a movie. If not, then it's okay. Bye. I'm gonna be hanging out with someone there. Shouldn't be, I guess. Bye. And I'm not gonna reveal who they are, obviously, for privacy reasons, but I will be showing you what we'll be doing. I can't see myself, so. Yo!